Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and finding the exact spot you want to share. This ensures the QR points to the right location. Once you've searched or dropped a pin, tap the place card or coordinates to reveal the detail pane. Make sure the name, address, and map view match what you intend to share because the QR will encode that link. If you're on desktop versus mobile, the interface differs slightly, but the goal is the same. Get the place card visible. Next, generate a shareable link. This is the data your QR will encode. On mobile, tap Share and choose Copy Link or Create Link. On desktop, click Share or copy the URL from the address bar. Once you have the link, open a QR generator, either built into Maps if available or a trusted QR tool. Paste the Maps URL and pick a static QR output so it always points to that location. This step converts the visible place card into a scannable code. Finally, export and validate the QR code before sharing. Choose PNG for easy use or SVG for scalable printing, select a resolution around 300 to 600 pixels, and download the file. Once saved, scan the QR with a separate device to make sure it opens Google Maps at the precise location. If it doesn't, recopy the Maps link and regenerate the QR, or clear browser cache and try again. This verification prevents sending broken or incorrect directions to others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.